Welcome back to Bay Area Focus. From a sex ed squad to a summer work program, the Daly City Youth Health Center gives students the information they need to thrive. Kim Gillette and Kaprisha Dearman from DCYHC join me now. Thanks for coming on the show.
Thanks for having us.
So tell me about some of the services the center offers.
Sure. So the Daly City Youth Health Center has been around for 25 years. We're celebrating our anniversary this year. And over the years, we've grown to offer a variety of services for youth and young adults in the northern San Mateo County area. We have a comprehensive health center that's a school-linked health center, so we're off campus to make it easy for people that are in school and out of school to access our medical services. We have a full primary care clinic on site, and we have a counseling program that we have both at our health center and then at 3 of the high schools in the area. We have our vocational program, which is called Elements for Success, and we help youth with a variety of different needs to make sure that they succeed basically in life so that they have those career skills.
And you really help low-income and at-risk youth.
Exactly, exactly. Those are our primary target population, primarily in the Daly City, Pacifica, San Bruno area.
And what are the ages?
It depends on the program. Our medical clinic and our counseling services are from 13 to 21, and our vocational program is mainly juniors, seniors, and then recent graduates. And then Kaprisha can talk about our other programs.
Yeah, so we also have Project Play, and Project Play has 2 kind of components. It's our education component for the health center. So we go into all of the schools in Daly City. There's 5 of them, and we spend about 2 weeks in each school just giving information about health. So healthy sexuality, reproductive health, every day will be a different topic. And then we also have an after-school component where we have a group of students who are kind of like leaders on campus. We train them to be peer health educators. So they are like the experts on campus. So students will often come to them and ask questions. They have the opportunity to learn more about healthy sexuality. And they kind of like they're like the role models on campus for the center as well.
So some of the things that go on in the workshops, you talk a lot about contraception and also respecting your body and
yeah, so it's a wide range. So we talk about things from STIs, pregnancy prevention. We go into gender and sexuality, a lot of things. We cover a wide range of things, but most of the things that we cover, as far as the more in-depth range, will happen in the after-school program, just because we have a little more time to spend with the students there. But we do cover like the more primary concerns like birth control, pregnancy prevention, and things like that during the 10-day session or when we're in the schools.
And a big thing right now with young people is texting nude pictures and things like that that goes around. You talk about that?
Yeah, we do. We cover that in our rape and sexual assault lesson. So we do have a lesson where we talk about that a lot. Those questions often come up a lot from students. They don't understand the consequences of sending pictures. A lot of them don't know. So yeah, that is something that we definitely cover, and students are obviously really interested in learning more information to kind of prevent those things from happening.
You know, sex is a subject that not a lot of parents are comfortable talking to their kids about. So do you find that a lot of kids come in here and ask you questions that they may feel like they can't ask their parents?
Yeah, they do. A lot of times, even teachers are not comfortable with giving that information as well. So students will come and get more answers to questions that they have. It's kind of hard for students to be open and talk to other people about sex. So us being there on campus and being a resource for them to come and get answers is a good thing.
Well, as you said, you offer a variety of resources. We were looking at some of the pictures and from some of the workshops, and it looks like you really bond the students as well.
Yeah.
And a lot of them get up and speak too?
Yeah, a lot of that takes place during our sex ed squad, so the after-school program. So they have a lot of opportunity to be with each other. They meet once a week for about 2.5 hours every week, once a week, excuse me. And during that time, not only are they like learning about, you know, healthy sexuality and things like that, but they're also like bonding with each other because they're like each other's support group, if you will. So if they don't know an answer to a question, they have their peers around that can help them out as well.
Are the students, are they embarrassed by being in the sex ed squad, or are they proud?
Sometimes they start off being a little embarrassed, but by the end of the program, they're like proud. It's kind of like a cheerleading group or something like that. Like everybody wants to be a part of it at the end of it. It's like,
we give them
which is
shirts that say Sex Ed Squad, and they love wearing those. They get so excited.
Oh, that's great. Okay, so you're planning for a 25th anniversary celebration?
We are. So we have 2 events coming up. We have a walkathon at Gillette Park on Saturday, March 28th. And that'll be from 10 to 12, and people can register online at dalycityyouth.org. And we also have a gala that will be on April 30th in the evening. And both events, we're going to have raffle prizes, and then there'll be a lot of fun.
Okay, sounds like a lot of fun. Thanks so much for coming on the show to tell us all about it.
Thank you.
And for information about the Daly City Youth Health Center, just log on to dalycityyouth.org. Again, that's dalycityyouth.org. Coming up, an arts center offering educational programs, studio space, and more. We'll be back.